right, let it roll the whole time. All right, this is Bob with Spartan Storm Shield. I'm going to do the first repair on Maria Torres' roof in Cleveland, Ohio. Here is the damaged shingle. Let me show right over the top over this. This is one of the wind damaged shingles marked by the adjuster. So I'm going to be taking this one out and replacing it with a new shingle. Identify the butt joint is the first thing we do. I'm going to use a pry bar and be as gentle as I can to remove the shingle surrounding it. As gentle as I can to not damage any other shingles. Okay. And the butt joint is right here, so I'm going to be going that way 3 tabs. So I'm going to have to start removing this second layer here. Or excuse me, the first row above the damaged shingle. I don't know if you can notice in the foam, but there is some granule bouncing around and lost here as I'm removing these tabs. Okay. Okay. So here's the damaged shingle. Got to go one more over. Now I got to remove a row of nails on the second layer here, so I'm going to start removing these tabs to give myself access. Again, as gently as I can. So I'm going to start removing the first row of nails, and this just came up right through it. If you want to see, zoom in or come in here a little closer, Mike. There is transference here, upper and lower shingle, the one I unsealed. Same thing over here. This came right through the the nail hole, so I'm just going to leave that one. I'm going to go on and remove this one here. Same thing. Just tears right through the nail. I'm gonna leave that there so I'm not leaving an open hole if I don't need to. That one came out pretty good. One more on the first row here. It's coming out pretty good as well. Again, I'm using minimal lift on the tabs surrounding and minimal pressure when I unseal the tabs. I am trying the best I can to not damage the surrounding shingles. Here's the damaged shingle. Here's row 2. That came right through, but I'm gonna have to get this nail out to get rid of this shingle. So I'm gonna remove this. Okay. Right. All right, that's slid out. So you can see all this debris under here. Rusted nails. Gonna slide in the new shingle. Make sure that's squared in here correctly before I start nailing it in. All right, first row of nails to go in. right here, just in the nail strip, just above the sealant. Using as little of lift to the tab as possible, but enough to drive home the new nail. Enough nail clearance to drive home the new nail with the hammer. Same thing here. It'll be 4 across the first row and then 4 across the second row, just the same way it came out. Okay, one more on the first row. Onto the second row. All right, third one on the second row. All right. And then the last one I'm missing right here. Okay, all 8 nails are in. This is the new repaired shingle. Here are the 2 rows above that shingle. As you can see there, definite hinging as a result of the repair. Simulated any little bit of wind and rain. We have some granule loss there happening as well. Same thing over here to the tab to the right of it. Not as much there. This one definitely, just swiping my hand, simulating rain and wind. A lot of granule loss. Looks like hinging there as well. Again, this is the new shingle. Same thing here, 1 shingle above. Granules flying off, you can look at that. Same thing over here, just simulating rain and wind. And granules are come flying off. That does indicate repairability problems here on the roof. I don't think I should continue to be doing the repairs because all these are going to result in the same way.